Understanding the impact, the aftermath of a cyclone. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very important topic that often comes up in news reports and weather discussions: cyclone's aftermath. This phrase can sound complex, but it's crucial to understand its meaning and implications, especially when learning English and trying to stay informed about global events. We'll break it down together, so you can fully grasp what it entails and how it affects people and places around the world. Before we dive into the aftermath, let's clarify what a cyclone is. A cyclone is a large-scale air mass that rotates around a strong center of low atmospheric pressure. Cyclones are characterized by inward spiraling winds that rotate in the same direction as the Earth. This natural phenomenon can cause widespread damage depending on its strength, including heavy rainfall, strong winds, and even floods. Cyclones are known by different names in different regions, such as hurricanes in the Atlantic and typhoons in the Pacific. Now, let's talk about the aftermath. The aftermath refers to the period following a significant event, highlighting the consequences and effects that come after. When we discuss the cyclone's aftermath, we're focusing on the impact that the cyclone has had on the affected area. This can include damaged homes and infrastructure, power outages, water shortages, and even the loss of lives. The aftermath is a critical time for recovery and rebuilding, as communities come together to repair and support each other. Understanding the aftermath of a cyclone is not just about recognizing the destruction it can cause. It's also about preparedness and response. Knowing what to expect can help communities and governments to better prepare for future cyclones, minimizing damage and speeding up recovery efforts. This involves emergency planning, evacuation strategies, and education on safety measures. The better prepared an area is, the less severe the aftermath is likely to be. In closing, the phrase, cyclone's aftermath, encompasses the significant effects and challenges faced by communities in the wake of a cyclone. It's a reminder of the power of nature and the importance of being prepared. We hope this video has helped you understand not just the meaning of the phrase, but also the broader implications it carries for people all around the globe. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep learning. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content in the future.